A very good morning, children. I hope that you and your family are safe. Children, we have completed explanation part of the first chapter. Now I am going to start book exercise of the first chapter. So open your book. Children, on the page number 2. On the page number 2, did you know the abacus was one of the earliest counting devices? Underline it. It is the important point for the purpose of exam. Right? So, what is the earliest counting device? Answer is abacus. Right? On page number 4, did you know Cleverbot is a web application that is based on the principle of artificial intelligence? Underline, Cleverbot is a web application that is based on the principle of artificial intelligence. Right? I have given it as a homework. I hope that you have completed. Now match your answer. First generation of computer used vacuum tubes. Match vacuum tube. Second, yes, transistor. Third, integrated circuit. Fourth, microprocessor. And fifth is vacuum artificial intelligence. In the first generation of computer, vacuum tubes are used. Second generation, transistor were used. Third, integrated circuit. Fourth, artificial intelligence, and fourth is microprocessor, and fifth is artificial intelligence. Right? Now, open page number 8. Assessment zone. Choose the correct ones. Name the component that was used in the second generation of computers. What is the answer? In the second generation computer, which components was used? Vacuum tubes, integrated circuit, transistor, microprocessor. Yes, right answer. Good. Transistor is the right answer. Take answer C. Now, which of the following is a characteristic of fifth generation of computer? They will have the power of human intelligence and reasoning. Fifth generation computers have power to human intelligence and reasoning. The right answer. They will be able to understand natural language. Right. It is also right. They will be able to respond to their surrounding using different types of sensors. Fifth generation computer have all these properties. So answer is all of these. Which of the following fall under the category of wearable gadgets? What is wearable gadget? I have told you. No. So which of the following fall under the category of wearable gadgets? Fitness tracker, head-mounted display, smartwatches, all of these. Answer is all of these. Take all of these. Now, on page number 9, B, question number B. Take the correct statement and cross out the wrong one. In the following statement, take the right statement and cross the wrong statement. What is the first statement is? A computer can perform a variety of different tasks. Computers are used for different purposes. Right? It is yes, right answer. So take. Fourth generation of computer use microprocessor. Fourth generation of computer use microprocessor. Right? Yes, right answer. Take. Third generation of computer. Third question. Wearable gadgets can only be worn on hand. wearable गैजेट्स को हम सिर्फ हाथ में पहन सकते हैं? रॉन्ग ना. We can wear wearable gadget on head, on neck also. Sorry, it is the wrong answer. Right? Integrated circuit are made up microprocessor. Integrated circuit are made up of microprocessor. False. UNIVAC is an example of fourth generation of computer. UNIVAC is an example of fourth generation of computer. False. Right? Now, question number C. Fill in the blanks using the appropriate words given below. What is the first question? Dash is an example of first generation of computer. VLSI, microprocessor, UNIVAC, artificial intelligence. Out of this, what is the answer? Dash is an example of first generation of computer. UNIVAC, right? UNIVAC. Second, dash were used in fourth generation of computer. VLSI, microprocessor, artificial intelligence. What is the use in what is the use of in fourth generation computer? Microprocessor is the right answer. Right, microprocessor. MICROPROCESSOR. Third is dash is a branch of computer science that deals with making the computers think and take decisions like human beings. What is the branch of computer that deals with making the computers think and take decision? Yes, it is very simple. Artificial intelligence, right? Artificial intelligence here. ARTIFICIA, artificial intelligence, right? Fourth is microprocessor were developed by combining together thousands of integrated circuits onto single chips using VLSI. What is the full form of a VLSI? Very large scale integrated, right? D, answer the following. It is the copy work. HOTS, complete the following table. It is your homework. I hope that you understand. Okay, thank you.